Hi everyone, it's Kristie here. I am going to show you the process I do to make a junk journal. I have this really nice Bambi book here. It's not as old as I typically would like. This is a really nice image. I got it at the Goodwill for $1.29. I typically look for a little bit older, but the artwork in it is really nice. I really liked it. So I have gutted this book. I really like that image. Okay, and I have gone and flipped through, folded, and cut some of the pages from the book. So I don't have a cover yet. I'm gonna work on the inner parts first because that's most exciting for me. So I've kind of folded in different shapes. Like I kept that because I want to use maybe the butterfly and the bird. And I'm gonna add some papers that I've designed to kind of go with this. That is like a lot of greens and a little bit of black. Okay, so I have a whole bunch of my Bambi pages cut out from the book covers. Sorry if my husband's voice is in the background. He's right outside. So I like the colors. Got a lot of greens and kind of like limey. So I have some graph paper. I love using graph paper because it's really easy to like make notes or like lists on. I have some off-white, just kind of regular paper. There's a little bit of a fleck in it. It's kind of nice. I found some extra in my bin of papers. I found some extra green stuff. There's a little bit of pink in there I like. So we'll see how this goes. I also have some stuff from my Etsy shop here. This is envelopes. There's little cutouts that I can add to pages so that you can write little doilies. And then I have some papers that I thought would be cute. So this is all the stuff we're going to work with, and I am going to start putting together this book. So I've gone through with all my papers and I started putting together. I've made one signature here. So I've used some of the paper from my Etsy shop there. There's from the book. This is extra craft paper. I'm liking how it's looking so far. Doesn't mean I won't change it. But I'm liking this. I have 10 pieces of paper. That's including even the little ones. And so now I'm starting to try and work on the second signature. I like this owl. 2, 3, 4, 5. So right now I've got 5. I'm liking how those are going to look together. I'm going to add some more, and I'm not sure if I'm going to do 3 signatures or 4. I tend to be doing 3 lately because I like to have lots of papers in there. We will see. Okay guys, I'm back. So again, I have that first signature done. I've worked on the second now, and now I have a third. So I like to do a lot of different sized papers. I like to make it look a certain way. I like that the different patterns are coming through. So I tend to do small and like work to bigger. So I have my 3 signatures each. I've decided to go with the 3 signatures. And I'll show you this last one real quick here. It's Bambi and her mom. Or his mom? Is Bambi a girl or a boy? Ooh, I don't even know. I should know that. Extra scrapbooking paper. This is a thick one. This is linen. This is a green linen. So again, this is something I had. Some more of the storybook, the graph paper. This is some black linen. I'll probably put something on that so somebody can write or draw pages. And then I always want to put some clean, just fresh white or off-white papers because you never know what someone's going to be doing with this journal. So now I have my 3 signatures. using all the paper from my Etsy shop, and I have little doodads and ephemera that I'm going to add to it as well. So this is how my book's going to be. So if I have 10 pages folded in half, so that equals 20 pages, and then I have 3 signatures, so I'm close to 60 pages for this. And I like to make sure in my books that I leave lots of room so that you can add to, because I quite often add lots of pages to my own books. So this is going to be my book here. I gotta come up with a cover still. I have, so it's about 8.5 by 6, which is a great size, and I'm gonna try and figure out my cover next.